Meditations for the 5th month of pregnancy. Affirmations for this month: follow the antenatal color therapy, which is green. The green color is a beautiful color for the fetus in the 5th month. Visualize the baby in a green colored flower and throw green light on the baby. At this stage, the baby is about 8 inches long and about 240 grams in weight. Visualize this beautiful baby becoming a part of your lives very soon. Meditations for the 5th month of pregnancy. Close your eyes and relax and visualize that you are on a beautiful seashore. The sun is falling in your eyes. There is sand below which you can put your hands in, and the beautiful expanse of the sea behind you. As you do this meditation, you visualize your abdomen as the sun. The 5th month sanskar is for the memory of what is called as Buddhi Vardak sanskar. Also visualize that your baby is literally in a lotus-like flower in the tummy. The lotus is the symbol of intelligence, and the baby at this month has the intelligence sanskar or the Buddhi Vardak sanskar done at this stage. So visualize that these lotuses are all around you and the baby is getting the healing power of the lotuses sitting on the beach on the shore. Your eyes are closed and repeat in your mind after me: I visualize my abdomen as the sun. The center is the navel, and all the rays of the sun are radiating outwards from my abdomen. I stroke my hand in all the directions of the abdomen and chant the 12 names of the sun. Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, Om Ravaya Namaha, and all the 12 names. I am basking in the joy of feeling my baby move. My heart will sound out the joy of existence, and the child within me will hear. My child's auditory system has now developed very well, and he is sensitive to my voice. I pray for the intellectual development of the baby in my womb. There is a rapid formation, literally, of all the synapses in the baby's brain as I talk to the baby, and there is wiring in that part of the brain. I wish for the superlative qualities of the sea and the mountain and the sand in my baby. I concentrate and visualize that just as the waves roam on the surface of the sea, my baby's brain is full of tidal energy, and visualizing the superior superlative qualities I had in my baby. I visualize the creamy coating around the baby's skin, which is being formed like a protective covering. The color for this month meditation is green. I wear green clothes as I do this meditation and visualize a green colored light falling on my baby. Now, the umbilical cord and the placenta signifies the circulation of the baby. I visualize this circulation, and I visualize that a lot of healing blood is flowing from this umbilical cord and going to the placenta of my baby. The placenta is literally like a rich tree getting all this for me, and the placenta absorbs the energy like the tree absorbs the sun. And hence sun meditation in this time is so very beautiful and so very important. Meditation and affirmations for the 5th month of pregnancy. Visualize that you are under the beautiful canopy of blessings from your forefathers, from your Gurujis, from your deities, and standing under the canopy, you are giving this beautiful green light to your baby. This baby is enveloped in a green colored capsule, and you're throwing green light from your aura into the baby. What are the affirmations you'll say? Close your eyes. Visualize the sea around and new life in the form of nature and children who are very vibrant and enjoying this beautiful world. Your baby in the womb is as vibrant as these children and is visualizing this process of developing. I am the nature goddess, the mother of life. I am the nature goddess, the mother of life. The sun is my lifeline and kisses all nature to life. The sun is my lifeline and kisses all nature to life. Green is the law of nature. Green is the law of nature. I think of a green colored flower and visualize the power of green light on my baby. I visualize the power of green light on my baby. Just like the waves and the children who are so vibrant in their kinetic energy all around, I visualize that my baby in the womb, who similarly in a water body, is enjoying his world there. Let us do the Garbha Sanskar mantra for the 5th month of pregnancy.
अवतार कल्याणी भव, मंदरेन्द्राभिषेक कल्याण भागी भव, निष्कांति कल्याण भागी भव, आर्हन्त्यं कल्याण भागी भव, परम निर्वाण कल्याण भागी भव। ओम झं वं क्ष्वीं क्ष्वीं हंसः कान्तागले यवमालां क्षिपामि झौं स्वाहा।
This is Supriti Sanskar. The meaning of this sanskar in Hindi: इस समय के गर्भ संस्कार मंत्र बच्चे की बौद्धिक क्षमता बढ़ाने के लिए मदद करते हैं। गर्भस्थ शिशु अपने माता पिता की आवाज़ पहचानता है। हम रोज़ उसके साथ 35 मिनट्स का गर्भ संवाद जरूर करेंगे। वह हमें ऐसी शक्ति दे, पेट से घंटानाद करके और मंत्र स्नान करके, कि शिशु के दिमाग की प्रगति अच्छी हो और वह अगले तिमाही में बिना किसी संकट के साथ जाए, यही प्रार्थना है। पुराणों में दी गए सब परम स्थान उसे प्राप्त हो और आर्हन्त्य पद की बहुत ऊंची पदवी उसे मिले, ये हमारी प्रार्थना है। Say Tathastu 3 times and visualize that the energy from the universe is getting concentrated and is reaching your unborn baby in the womb. As I stand in these beautiful waters, I visualize that the tidal energy of the waves is also coming to me. Go in pregnancy to the beach, sit on the sand, stand in the water and visualize this force of nature entering into your tummy. All the best to all the mothers in the 5th month, and fathers, you too need to do this Buddhi Vardak Supriti 5th month sanskar for your babies.